Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of CrowdStrike Holdings, Inc., a leader in the cybersecurity industry known for its innovative cloud-native platform. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
CrowdStrike reported strong financial results for the second quarter of fiscal year 2025, with a 32% year-over-year increase in total revenue to $963.9 million and a significant growth in both GAAP and non-GAAP net income. The company also achieved record operating and free cash flows, and its annual recurring revenue grew by 32% to $3.86 billion. Key highlights include robust subscription revenue growth, high module adoption rates, and strategic partnerships aimed at expanding its market presence.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The major business segment subscription revenue was $918.3 million, a 33% increase compared to $690.1 million in the same period last year. Professional services revenue was $45.6 million, up from $41.7 million in the same period last year.
Are there any emerging segments that are gaining traction?
LogScale Next-Gen SIEM, identity protection, and cloud security are emerging segments that have collectively eclipsed $1 billion in combined ending ARR.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP subscription gross margin was 78%, consistent with the same period last year. Non-GAAP subscription gross margin was 81%, compared to 80% in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $712.8 million, compared to $564.1 million in the same period last year. Non-GAAP operating expenses are not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include cash and cash equivalents, $4.04 billion, accounts receivable net, $661 million, total assets, $7.2 billion, total liabilities, $4.31 billion, total stockholders' equity, $2.89 billion.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points of the cash flow statements include net cash generated from operations, $326.6 million, free cash flow, $272.2 million, net increase in cash, cash equivalents, and restricted cash, $662.8 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities. Net cash generated from operations was $326.6 million. Investing activities. Net cash used in investing activities was $105.9 million. Financing activities. Net cash provided by financing activities was $60 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major strategic initiatives and partnerships include exceeded $1 billion in total sales with CDW Corporation and achieved CDW's Diamond-level partner status. Set a new speed benchmark for cybersecurity threat detection. Named a leader in the Forrester Wave Cybersecurity Incident Response Services, Q2 2024. announced a strategic partnership with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise to secure end-to-end AI innovation. Partnered with technology distributors Ingram Micro, M3 Corp., and Tecnología Especializada Asociada de México to accelerate adoption in Latin America. Won 5 awards in the SC Awards Europe 2024.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges include risks associated with the Channel File 291 incident, managing rapid growth, competitive market pressures, length and unpredictability of sales cycles, attracting and retaining customers, integrating acquisitions, technological developments and industry trends, macroeconomic conditions, inflation, geopolitical uncertainty, and public health crises.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For Q3 FY25, total revenue $979.2 to $984.7 million. For full year FY, total revenue $3,890.3 $3,902.2 million.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
For Q3 FY25, non-GAAP income from operations $166.7 $170.8 million. Non-GAAP net income attributable to CrowdStrike $201.2 $205.2 million. For full year FY25, non-GAAP income from operations $774.7 $783.9 million. Non-GAAP net income attributable to CrowdStrike $908.8 to $918 million.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
CrowdStrike has demonstrated strong financial performance with significant revenue growth, high profitability, and robust cash flow. The company continues to innovate and expand its market presence through strategic partnerships and product launches. Despite facing risks and challenges, CrowdStrike's resilience and commitment to customer satisfaction position it well for future growth.
That's all for today's analysis of CrowdStrike's impressive performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think CrowdStrike is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.